Hey guys, Checkmarx has been compromised again in a couple of months by the same people, TeamPCP. Check it out on this video.
TeamPCP just hacked Checkmarx again. Same group, same vendor, weeks apart, and this time they renamed the repo to mock them on the way out. On May 11th, 2026, attackers took over the GitHub repository for Checkmarx's Jenkins AST plugin. They published a malicious build to the public Jenkins Marketplace, and every organization that runs auto update on their Jenkins plugins pulled it straight into their build server. This is not a developer laptop, this is CI/CD infrastructure. Here's what attackers left behind. They renamed the repository to Checkmarx fully hacked by TeamPCP and their customers should cancel now. The pinned note reads, Checkmarx fails to rotate secrets again. With love, TeamPCP. And the malicious release reuses the exact same version string as the last safe build, 2.0.13-829. The only difference is the published date. The patched version is 2.0.13-829. Why target a Jenkins plugin? Because the Jenkins AST plugin runs inside the build server of every Checkmarx customer. It reads source code, it holds API credentials, it sees the build artifacts before they ship. Compromise that plugin once. You get a foothold on every pipeline that uses it. That's not one company, that's thousands. This is round 3. TeamPCP first hit Checkmarx in March. In April, they came back and poisoned the KICS Docker image, 2 VS Code extensions, a GitHub Actions workflow, and even briefly, the Bitwarden CLI package on NPM. Now it's May, and the Jenkins plugin is theirs. 3 waves against one vendor in under 2 months. Security firm SOCRadar wrote, the fact that TeamPCP is back inside Checkmarx systems just weeks later points to one of 2 things. Either the initial remediation was incomplete and credentials were not fully rotated, or the group retained a foothold that wasn't identified during the March response. There is no third option, and the attacker's own note tells you which one it is. Here's the uncomfortable truth. After every supply chain breach, the playbook says rotate everything. Every API key, every signing cert, every CI token, every service account. Almost nobody actually finishes that list. There's always one forgotten GHS token in a backup job, one stale OIDC trust, one shared secret nobody owns. TeamPCP is showing why that gap is fatal. Run this on every Jenkins controller you own. Step 1. List the installed version of the Checkmarx AST scanner plugin. Step 2. Hit the Jenkins API directly to confirm. Step 3. The patch version is 2.0.13-848. Anything else with a published date after December 17, 2025 is suspect. Step 4. If you auto-updated since May 11th, rotate every secret that ever lived in that pipeline. No exceptions. The deeper lesson lives outside this one plugin. Every breach response has a hard part, the inventory and rotation of every credential that ever touched the compromised system. When you skip the hard part, you don't close the incident. You schedule the next one. TeamPCP is the alarm clock telling Checkmarx and a lot of other vendors that time is up. Rotate everything. TeamPCP keeps walking through the same door because nobody locked it. The vendors who learned that lesson this week won't be on the next defacement note.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace.